Dear student, this is the question of the analog electronics of the morning session of ECE 2017. And here, positive feedback is present there, and they have asked the value of upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage. That means this is basically the question of the Schmitt trigger. And we know in the Schmitt trigger only we have used the positive feedback here. And in the positive feedback, for any input, if this input is more than this, you will get minus Vsat, or that means the output should be minus 15 or plus 15, because the maximum supply will be minus 15 volts, plus 15 or minus 15. Assume when the V0 will be 15 volts, that means this is open circuited, that means no current will go here, because we are assuming that the op amp is ideal. That means this is not physically it is connected, but it act as an open circuit because no current is going here. That means this circuit can be drawn like this, and here I am assuming the voltage is plus minus 15. That means the plus Vsat, and the plus Vsat value is 15 volts, and here the value is 3 volts, and here 5 ohm. I am interested in this potential. What is the potential here? And because this is of positive Vsat, that means here whatever we will get, that will become V upper threshold. That means VUTH, upper threshold voltage. Now, that means this current will flow like this. That means 15 minus 3 divided by 15. This is the current in this loop. The voltage difference divided by the total resistance. This is the value of the current. And I want to know what is the potential here. That means the V of 5, that means the voltage across the 5 ohm, that means 12 divided by 15 into 5. That means the voltage is 4. That means if I want to calculate the potential here, this 4 plus this 3, that means this value should be VUTH should be 4 plus 3. That means the value should be 7 volts. And it is for the first iteration only when the V0 is saturated with the positive voltage supply. That means output is plus 15 volt. What will happen if this will saturated with minus 15 volts? That means at that time, the polarity of this should be like this, 15 volts, and the polarity is opposite. That means at this time the current direction will be like this. That means minus 15 minus 3. That means if I want to write down directly the current, that means 15 plus 3 divided by 15. This is the value of the total of current. Total voltage divided by the total value of the resistance. Now here V of 5. The value of the V of 5 will be the value of the V of 5 will be 18 divided by 15 into 5, 6 volt. But I am interested, that means here the value is 6 volt. I am interested in here, that means here the rise of 3 volt, minus to plus, then plus to minus. That means here we will get 3 minus 6 is equals to V lower threshold. That means the value is minus 3, lower threshold voltage. That means the upper threshold voltage is 7 and the lower threshold voltage is minus 3.